Hi there everyone. So in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys. So the song's in the key of G and our first chord is what's known as C major 7. Now to play C major 7 you have to put your thumb on G, finger 1 on B and finger 5 on E. So that's your first chord, and then the next chord we're going to put our thumb on F sharp, finger 2 on A, and then finger 5 on D. So we're going from C major 7 to B minor 7, and then for the next chord it's going to be A minor 7. We're going to put our thumb on E, finger 1 on G, and finger 5 on C. So now you have and then the last chord is going to be a G major 7. So for this, your thumb goes to D, finger 2 to F sharp, and then finger 5 to G. And now you've got the the 4 important chords for this song. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I hope you can see that we're simply moving each note down the scale. In the left hand, we're going to go from C to B to A to G. Again, we're simply going down the scale. Second time, we'll play the same thing, but an octave lower. We'll add something to that, but I'll leave that for a little bit later. So we're going to go and then second time round, take the left hand down an octave, let's actually talk about that second time that we play this. So everything is pretty much the same, but over here, after this B minor chord, in the left hand we're going to go to B flat, then to A. So we are adding a passing note. So and then passing note on our way to A. Okay, we're going to do the same in our right hand as well. So from there to there, we're going to add a passing note, and that passing note that goes together with this B flat. For your right hand, I want you to play F, with your thumb, and then A flat with finger 2, and then D flat with finger 5. So this is the passing chord. Okay. And if you want the name for that chord, that's basically a B flat minor 7. So we're going and then passing chord. So we're only there very shortly. Okay. Now that we know the chords, let's count so that the chords are in time. Okay, so we're going to go you basically want to be feeling, you can either think 3 beats per bar or 6, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, or you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Once you're here, you're going to go up the same way you came down. And now you're playing the second half. Passing chord. And then. Okay. So that is the foundation on which the song is built. However, we don't play blocked chords in this song. We're going to play broken chords. So starting from the top note, going down. So we're going to go. So start this off slowly. Again, feel free to use your pedal until you can play it maybe at that speed, and then you go to the next chord, and then the next chord. Okay, now on this final chord, I played it 1, 2, 3. I played it 3 times, whereas I think on every other chord I was playing it 4 times. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 6 times actually. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So you could either go, or you could. Okay. I don't quite remember exactly what she plays on the record, but it's going to be one of these two. When you play it yourself, you can play it in any way that you want, really. Okay. So that is basically the introduction. In fact, that was the first half of the intro. The second half would be bass is now an octave lower. Passing chord. Now you play the chord as a block. Okay, let me show you that again. So 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So this passing chord is only on beat number 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, block. Okay, so that is the introduction. Let's play that intro together. I'm going to count us in. In fact, I'm just going to be counting 6 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just before the verse, there's a passing chord that we're going to use, or just a little decoration. And you can just think of this as a C chord, but in first inversion. Okay, so there's C in root position, there's C, first inversion. Okay, and then this chord right here that we're playing is G major 7. We played it earlier, didn't we? So, da-da-da-da. So after G major 7, we're going to go to E minor, or E minor 7 if you want. So E minor is simply E, G, and B. So we're going from Some People Live, then to E minor, 3, 4, 6, and then to A minor 7. For A minor 7, you play an A in the bass, and your right hand is basically that C chord again in first inversion. And then from here, we're going to go to D. Actually, D7, because you can have that C at the top. So you're playing D, F sharp, A, and C. Okay, so let's recap that again. So you're going from 5, 6, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from this chord, you go back there. So you're going to use this D7 just as a little something taking you back into the verse. So let's rewind everything we've done so far, okay, just to make sure no one forgets anything. Right, so intro. D. Now you're going to use this chord, and now this is going to lead us to a very interesting chord known as a diminished chord. We're going to play an A flat diminished. So in the bass, you can already get ready to play an A flat, and then in the right hand, you can play A flat, B, and D. If you want, you could also add an F at the bottom to make it a diminished seventh. So you can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back to A minor 7, and then to D. Okay, and basically that's your verse. So you could split the verse into two. This part, that's the first part. Then the second part with the diminished. And now for the pre-chorus. In the pre-chorus, we're going to play the chords that we played in the intro, but going in the opposite direction. So starting with G to A minor 7. When you get to B minor, change direction. Okay, so okay. This time, instead of going back to A minor, you're going to go to C. Okay, so there's that C major 7 again. So in this song, Alicia is basically playing lots of seventh chords. I think every chord that she plays is some sort of seventh chord, whether it's a major 7 or minor 7. Okay, so here we're going to play the chords in the intro, but blocked. Like that. So if I play the pre-chorus, some people, da da da, back to A minor, and you start again, da 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 da, then okay. Now it's time to play the chorus. In the chorus, again, what I like about this song is it's the same chords, they just played in different order. Okay, so for the chorus, we're going to go from G, go up to C. Okay, so it's going to be, remember this is how we play our G in this song, that's how we play our A, that's how we play our B, and that's how we play C. So, to C, we go down, we keep going down, and then we go up again, starting with the G, G. So I think there's one rhythmic thing that I missed there. So let me play this without things. So that little thing there. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm just going from G. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And that's basically how we play this song. So I'm going to do, at a later stage, a tutorial on seventh chords, especially as I'm getting into jazz, okay, and it will give you a better understanding. But for now, just enjoy playing them without worrying too much about what these things are, okay. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure that you do, and I will see you in the next video.